A, negative 15.
Number 2?
A, negative 15.
Number 3?
I couldn't find my answer.
No answer from no answer. Number 4?
A, negative 15.
Number 5?
C, negative 17.
All right, we have the answers, and now the real answer is A, negative 15. We now move to the final question in the mathematics section. Question number 10. Apna Foundation wants to give 50 scholarships to the needy children in India. Each scholarship costs $250. There are already $4,000 available with Apna Foundation. How much more money does Apna Foundation need to raise for 50 scholarships? A, $12,500, B, $7,500, C, $4,000, D, $9,500, or E, $8,500. Start now. Seconds. Stop.
E, Wyoming.
C, New Mexico.
E, Wyoming.
E, Wyoming.
E, Wyoming.
And the correct answer is E, Wyoming. Well, the contest is so tense. It's so tense that our timekeeper seemed to have lost some weight and got glasses too. We have a change of timekeeper. Hari Potkuchi is doing it now. Question number 23. Under the Munich Agreement signed in 1938 by British Prime Minister with Germany, Adolf Hitler annexed the region of Sudetenland belonging to this country. A, Hungary, B, Czechoslovakia, C, Poland, D, Austria, E, none of the above.
Seconds.
B, Czechoslovakia.
C, Poland.
No answer.
D, Austria.
C, Poland.
And the correct answer is B, Czechoslovakia. We're down to the last 2 questions. What do you think so far? Okay, number 24. The 22nd constitutional amendment adopted in 1951 set the absolute maximum number of years that a US president may hold the office to. A, 11 years, B, 10 years, C, 8 years with 2 terms of 4 years each, D, 9 years, E, none of the above.
C, 8 years with 2 terms of 4 years each.
C, 8 years with 2 terms of 4 years each.
C, 8 years with 2 terms of 4 years each.
C, 8 years with 2 terms of 4 years each.
C, 8 years with 2 terms of 4 years each.
And the correct answer is B, 10 years. So this amendment was made, say, under extraordinary circumstances. A president cannot complete his full term and the vice president becomes president. After half the term of the president was over, during the last 2 years, if the vice president comes on board, he can run for 2 more elections. So, looks like we are all learning something new, right? Okay. Last question. Which of these countries is not part of the countries referred to as the Low Countries? A. Belgium, B. Netherlands, C. Luxembourg, D. Denmark, E. None of the above.
Few words about Dr. Nilagaru before we give the mic to him.
It gives me a great honor to introduce a person of such great caliber and great experience and great humanitarian. Dr. Narasimhulu Nilagaru, MD, or Dr. Neil, as he is known in his community in the city of Commerce, Georgia, has been attending cardiologist at Northridge Medical Center since 1989, and he is also the chief of staff. Dr. Neil completed his medical degree in India, earning the best outgoing medical student gold medal. His cardiology training was done at Bridgeport Hospital in Connecticut, which is affiliated with Yale University. He is board certified in both internal medicine and cardiovascular diseases. He is the founder and executive president of Commerce Cardiology Clinic, and he is also the founding chairman and the owner of Quantum National Bank. Dr. Neil and his wife, Sumitra, have 2 children. Their son is a cardiologist and their daughter is a pediatrician. Dr. Neil has been dedicated to the continuing education of the others. He frequently gives his time to high school students for career counseling and has awarded a yearly scholarship to a local deserving senior who is interested in the medical field. Dr. Neil awards nurse scholarships at a local hospital as well as giving reference books to the nurses and medical center. He is a trustee of the Hindu Temple of Atlanta and also the Sai Temple of Atlanta. Just as a future point, on February 2nd, 2013, in few days, the local library in the city of Commerce, Georgia, will be officially naming the new children's section the Nilagaru Family Children's Library. It gives me great honor, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce such a great person.
Thank you, Siva. And also, you all know, Manamu Tama Silver Jubilee 2006. When we celebrated Silver Jubilee, we have received support from so many sponsors, so many platinum sponsors, so many gold sponsors. But I can say so many, but I still remember, I don't need to open my Excel sheet, who gave what kind of contribution, but he is the event sponsor. Because of him, we could do that program in that grand scale. Thank you, Nilagaru. Very careful to hold it, very careful. Okay, okay, leave it there. Yeah, hold it properly. Nilagaru, you want to say a few words?
I want to thank the sponsors. I want to thank Mr. Bala Indurte, the president, and all the executive committee, and also the Mr. Chaparala for making this event. And I thank you for the recognition. I appreciate your kindness. This award is a reflection of our being able to give back to the society. I believe that in giving to our community, we are investing in our future. We are making the world a better place. Again, I thank you on behalf of myself, my family, and Quantum for the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilagaru. And the last Lifetime Achievement Award, before I'm going to announce the name, he has a lot of sentiments. It doesn't look like a sentiment person. He says, before you call me, say some good words. But today I don't know what to say good word. One is, everyone happy Bogi. And today we are celebrating Vivekananda's 150th birthday. And this person, we could not find the space to write what all the leadership roles he played for different organizations so far. He was president of TAMA, president of IACA. In the Georgia Transportation Board, he is a member since 2002. He is Hindu Temple of Atlanta trustee, but now he is a new president. He took over from like starting from January 1. So from Dr. J. Sri Moparthi garu. So Sri Narendra Reddy garu, I just already told, when we did ATA 2000, the combination of Adishesha Reddy and Narendra Reddy is like, still everybody will cherish the moments, how successful they did in ATA 2000. And it's a great honor, like, for Apna Foundation to recognize these three people. Narendra Reddy garu, please come. Okay. Yeah, you had to. So, thank you very much. And Narendra Reddy garu say few words.
Thank you, Bala. Sometimes I wonder where you get all this energy to conduct all these programs. And thank you, Apna Foundation. And my good friends of the Apna, Dr. Adishesha Reddy is here. We, like Bala said, we were a good team. Always, any event has to be successful. You got to have a good team. And I'm proud to say Dr. Reddy was very much cooperative with me. That's why we made ATA 2000 so successful. And today's Apna Viz Kid program, I'm so glad to see these kids participating in it, coming from California all the way to Atlanta. It's not an easy thing. Only I was glad it is a Apna Viz Kid, not Apna parent kid. Otherwise, you would have been looking like idiots and fools, most of us. But if you ever conduct Apna parent program, parent Viz, don't allow children into the same auditorium, okay? We want to do our own thing in privacy. Main thing I want to say, Apna, I want to praise Apna for taking up the philanthropic programs and conducting here and in India, wherever they need help. And Apna is already in the forefront and always there, even whether it is a cyclone, hurricane, or scholarships for the needy students. And that is the way we want to go for that philanthropy section. A few years back, I wrote an article in a magazine about why Indian Americans are lagging behind in philanthropy when we are successful in every other field. But recently I'm noticing a lot of Indian Americans also stepping forward doing philanthropy. I'm really proud of Apna and I wish it many more successful events.
Thank you. So now today this total program, like, we don't want to say how much we spend, including the 10 kids travel expenses and the prize money, starting to beginning. When we come up with a budget, our chairman, Dr. Adishesha Reddy, said, I'm going to sponsor, don't go to anyone. So it's time for us to recognize our grand sponsor, Dr. Adishesha Reddy. Yeah. అక్కడ పెట్టండి మళ్ళీ. So we are making chief guest to work for us. So now, so before, like, I think I know we are telling almost, but it's now truly we are done with all the recognitions. We have to call the first 10 kids. Please come to the stage, because when they announce, we know who is the we call 4th and 5th positions finalists. Then the 3rd, 2nd runner-up, then the winner. So, before it is not like another Viz Kid, but not in this competition. She is Apurva Gangavelli. She received in SAT 2400 out of 2400. So, Apurva, please come to the dais. See, it's a great achievement. You all have to encourage this kind of kids, and you don't need to stop. You have energy to keep clapping. These kids need. And then also I call Hari Madhav, the core committee, please come. Venkat, Fani, please come to the stage. I'll pass on to Dr. Rajsheshar.
I just have just a few words. As I said, it was a humbling experience, but whatever it may be, would I still do it again? I would still do it again, and I would like to do it next year. So I need all your help again next year. So I am counting on you to help next year, including Madhav. Please help us again next year. Thank you very much.
So before we, all the 10 kids, I will let category 1, Hari Pothikuchi to take, Hari, please invite your 5 kids.
I would appreciate the list because by the time this is over, I have really lost track. So many brilliant kids and such a brilliant audience. I would now like to invite, in no particular order, Arnav Singh, Shravya, Rohan, Ashrita, and Anirudh. 5 brilliant kids. They kept us alive, filled with suspense.
Call the parents also.
Oh, the suggestion from our chairman is if the parents can also please come in. We are really impressed with what you have done, and we really want to show all the parents of these kids, please come on the stage. At this point in time, we are all winners here, and with you on, we feel like it's a real family. And please use that entrance.
See, all kids, these 5 kids are not from Atlanta, but they came from different cities. So first we are going to, Hari. Okay. Asrite Suri, she is the finalist. Asrite Suri. Asrita, come now. So please give some room for the chief guests. And also check Rajsheshar Reddy. So our grand sponsor is going to give the check and trophy they are going to receive from the chief guest. Please, when you receive, move to the left so that next kid will come. And Ashrita came actually 4th position and Amrut Narayan 5th position. So Anirudh, so someone messed up the name, sorry. Anirudh Narayan, 5th place. So, but please give them big hand, like 4th or 5th they need. Take the check. And here the winner will get $1,000. Second prize $500, third prize $250, 4th and 5th they receive the trophies, and all the participants in the finals they get $500 travel compensation. And we put a clause, it won't apply to Atlanta. So we got only one student from Atlanta in the top 10, that kid will not get travel reimbursement. So next, the 3rd position, 2nd runner-up, Rohan Nagabhairava. Sorry, the order is sorry. So they put the name, so sorry. Arnav Singh. Arnav Singh, 3rd position. Category 1.
Second category.
Okay. So, second person, second kid, Shravya Pinjala, Category 1. Shravya is going to receive trophy from the chief guest and the check from our grand sponsor. Well done and down, but the naming was not good. Now I don't need to announce, but already I said the first winner is Rohan Nagabhairava. Next time, so because you get the trophy, then you can give it. No, that's okay. Tarvata mundu ayipokudu, late ayipokudu. So now we'll announce category 2. Category 1, 2, don't think there is any high order, low order. Category 1 is elementary kids, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Category 2 is middle school, 6th, 7th, 8th. So here the 5th position goes to Siddharth Poddar, 5th position. So our grand sponsor, Dr. Rajashekar Reddy, will give him a check, and the chief guest will give the trophy and a book.
Congratulations. Well done.
Take the picture. Turn that side. Yeah, please, category 2 parents also please come to the dais. Middle school kids parents, please come to the dais. So, yeah, you need to be here with your kids. Next, 4th position, Shivali Halabi. Shivali Halabi. Third, okay. Shivali, please come here.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Turn that side. So, come here and turn that side, yeah, to take the... And the 3rd position, Sai Rishik Muttukuru, 3rd place in the... Came from all the way from California. Very close scoring. We will put everything on our website, who got what, everything, all the scores will be published, including the answer papers, everything. Sai Rishik Muttukuru. Turn that side. And next one, 2nd position goes to Atlanta Sumedh Garimella. So he was like in the both categories 1 and 2, he is the topper, but like here he dropped to 2nd position. So, before I announce the winner, but you can guess with the names, I want to take 30 seconds to say something. Like, started into like non-profit organization myself in 2004, Tama. Then, 2006, like 3 years I was secretary, vice president, president. Then I got into Apna Foundation, started as executive director, then president-elect. Now currently I am president of a big team of every person in my committee has a lot more experience than me. So I always telling our chairman, Dr. Rajashekar Reddy, time for me to move on to the next, different role, but I'm not interested to stick with any organization for so long, but he forced me so much. He's so intelligent. When I talk to him on the phone, I can never win, but I've been in Atlanta for 20 years. It's thought right time for me to tell. This is my last program as APNA president. After this, I am going to be done with APNA. I enjoyed a lot with the great team of people, everybody supported me. But after this, next week we are going to Las Vegas to take up new role in NATA. So I'll be working in NATA, but with APNA is concerned, for me, APNA, TAMA and GATA will be same. So this is the reason I said, smart guys, I cannot talk to him on the phone. He takes so many hours, but he will convince me. So I said, okay, sometimes I need to do my way. I need to announce this, and also to give any work to any organization, whoever does even like weekly 1 hour work, they know where that the load will fall on. Manam non-profit lo kochi pani chestunnavanటే that load will go to your support, your counterpart, your spouse. So all these years, whatever the load I am taking, whatever the amount of energy I am giving, that is I am able to do only because of my wife Madhavi. Without her, there is no way. And she helps me a lot, especially whenever I come down from the stage, everyone said you gave great speech, but she is the one who corrects me right away. What did I do wrong? And I really like that. And I take a lot of help from her to prepare some. If you see, there is a good email from me that comes from Bellamkonda Kishore or my wife Madhavi. But she's helping me, but at the same time, I see working in multiple organizations, putting load on my wife is not fair for me. It's my personal decision. Not that I want to, I did not like the organization. I really enjoyed, because my two predecessors, my previous presidents, they were like big guys, like Dr. Sadashiva Reddy, first president, Dr. Rajashekar Reddy, second president. They led like ATA, the national organization presidents. They put me in that role. That itself is an honor to me. So, but time for me, this is my last program. Next week I am with NATA. That is the also advice from the grand advisor of both, chairman of advisor for NATA and APNA, Dr. Prem Sagar Reddy Garu. I had a call before started the program. He said, I understand you. I wish you all the best. You come to NATA. And whenever they call me, APNA team, for any help, I am there to support. But I am done with it. I don't give mic to him. I know him. So the winner is, one second. Winner is Ujjwal Punyamurtila. Please don't stop the claps. Ujjwal received $1,000 check from Chairman Dr. Rajashekar Reddy. I know it is a time for dinner, but just we want to it's our honor to take photo with these whiz kids. Please, all 10 kids stand up here. Number 1 in the middle, number 2, you know the math better than us, so number 1 goes in the middle, 2, then 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, anyway, while they're getting ready, I just want to say a few words. I know I fell before, but this is a bigger fall now. That was physical, but this is mental. So I tried to convince, I did my best to convince him, but I understand his family commitments and other commitments, so I perfectly understand and perfectly accept that whatever he has played, but he assured me that he is going to help us any way he can, and he will be advisory role, but I don't expect anything less than what he has done. He may not put this many hours, but he's mentally, whatever you can do, I want him to help. And then, of course, grateful hands of Dr. B.K. Raju. You already heard about Dr. B.K. Raju. He is a very great philanthropist, very, he is very inspirational speaker. And I'm very honored that he's going to take over as the president, and I feel that Apna is in good hands with BK. And BK, please, words.
Well, I'm very glad to be here in Atlanta. Many times I came for our academic conference and meeting all the wonderful friends here.